Getting hot.
Thought we call you
Who's that guy? Who's that guy? So there's the finish line down there.
What happened?
Don't short shift it. It doesn't run for squat if you short shift it. It wants to rev up. Don't shift to 6,500. It don't work. Take it up to 775.
All right.
And then about, I don't know, 3/4 track, mile down or so, I got into a rut and did about 4 big wobbles out there and lock to lock or so. Moved your ass about a foot side to side a little bit, a little sashay. I rode out of it though. Just leave the bike alone, it'll straighten out all by itself. There's our finish line over there.
Are you trying to make another run today, or is that it?
Now I'm gonna try another run. I took off the line good. How'd it look, Fred?
It looked good. Looked real good. I got it recorded.
Fred said I did good off the starting line.
We got it on this and on. No, I guess I didn't record my phone, but we got it.
Yeah.
Got a good recording on.
This is our return road here. There's the other side of the lake bed. The track's horrible. See all that stuff out there? That's where we're supposed to run later in the year. There's no more courses. We're done for the year for the course. Look at these big ruts going across.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's some of those on the course. The course is all broken up. I don't know what they're gonna do for a track. It's gone. The finish line is bad. Well, shit. You know, from a mile down, it's just all broken up, the whole damn track, and the shutdown is really bad. Yeah, this stuff is horrible out here. But anyway, I'll look at the spark plug, see what's going on, and then go from there. How come nobody's running? It's not dust. I don't know if they're going to have another run. I don't think there's a course left to make another run. I don't think they're going to do a third run. That course is bad. They just start spinning cars out.
Yeah. Maybe they did. Maybe they.
So it makes my bike ill handling. Yeah. I've had that. Last time I had that happen was at Bonneville. I got into a little bit of out there. I did about a 4 or 5 jiggle out there. Even when I locked the motor up at 135, it only did 3. 3 total. Went this way, that way, and I then caught it. That was it.
Yeah.
Took that long to pull the clutch, get the rear wheel spinning. Yeah. I just felt the whole bike just kind of got off from underneath me and then start doing this.
Hey, look, I've been drinking that limoncello.
Oh, well,
good. It's good.
Something to do.
I got cut a little bit with some lemonade, but yeah,
it's a lot hotter than 88.
It's pretty smooth.
It's 88 degrees.
That's 88. Yeah, so
maybe I'm starting to get sunburned.
It catches up with you though.
Yeah, there's a guy going down the track.
Oh, here we go. Another track.
Another crappy Harley. I don't know what that thing is. Probably not a Harley. No, that's something sitting down. Oh, that's
right,
that Triumph.
I'll let you go, man. Have a good one.
That's that Triumph running on fuel. So 660
no, no problem. It's good stuff.
Vintage
you
Triumph.
Called me, by the way. I called you back.
Yeah. See, that's where a lot of people pit down here. Put that run tag in the way.
Bike 368 through the lights at 155.218.
There's a Lakester, not a dragster.
155.218.
Dragsters do not work up here at the frames break. Hey, somebody left their barbecue here.
I suspect they'll be back.
You think? Got a side wind blowing now. That was a tailwind, that's a side wind. This is our massive spectators out here.
Yeah, it seems to be not a whole lot of people out here today.
It's supposed to be hot today. It was hot last month, 2 months ago we ran last. Yeah, a few people pit on the other side over there at the very beginning, but that's it. Yeah, it's pretty bare. I think most people at home already. It's starting to warm up. What was it earlier in the day, like 75, 78?
Yeah, it was nice.
It was cool. Till like 10 o'clock, it was nice.
It was good.
It was good. Running because there's no car there.
Car number 834.
Yeah, that's about it for people running.
Man, this thing was filled. Last time I came here, it was like...
Yeah, the heat comes up, everybody goes home. You got to beat the crowd.
And it was fun just walking down, looking at
There goes a Roadster.
On the course now is car 834, a Blown Street Roadster, class record 202.870.
2 mile an hour Roadster.
Gearhead Guru Racing with Ken Coe driving.
Oh, he's riding. Yeah, that's pretty good. Go.
see if you got a record.
So we gotta wait for the dust to clear. At least it's blowing off the track. A slight side wind's best because it blows it off. But see, it's a dead side. See, it's going dead side wind now. See that flag way down there?
Yeah.
See how it's going dead
Car
sideways?
824 through the lights at
blowing toward me.
178.677.
Tailwind.
178.677.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna see what they're gonna do. I'd be shocked if we get another run though.